Now, we are back online. We are back online. Fully back online. These are the sets of the traditionalists. They are set slated for today as part of the coronation program for His Imperial Majesty Oba Afọlábí Olaoyo. As we all know, yesterday the Muslim community has their own program for the king yesterday. Today is being slated for the traditionalists in the city of Ogbomoso. Now, as you can see, these are the native hunters. You can see the woman being displayed her gun in a massive way. We really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Now, we are back online. These are the traditionalists. They are on their way to palace now. Moving straight to Ogbomoso Palace now. Now, that's been the moment. You can see the masquerade performing wonderfully here. They are on their way to Ogbomoso Palace. Now we move. That's the moment. We are presently at Ojagbo Ogbomoso now. This Ogun Ojalu of Ogbomoso land. What do you mean by Ogun Ojalu? It's a special force behind Ogbomoso town. And that's the moment. That's been the short building you are seeing at the back. They call it Ogun Ojalu in the city of Ogbomoso. And these are the set of people coming along with them. These are the traditionalists in the city of Ogbomoso with their masquerade being displayed. As you can see that. Now, it's a moment again. Now, they are moving to Ogbomoso Palace now to go and have their own moments as part of the program slated for the coronation ceremony of His Imperial Majesty Oba Afọlábí Olaoyo. And that's the moment we are doing now. We join everybody live any moment from now. Now that's what you are seeing. Them being displayed here is a moment anyone cannot trust, but we believe in the meantime when we get to Ogbomoso Palace that we got to have the full scene of this ceremony. But at the moment now, the traditionalists are paying homage to the house they call Ogun Ojalu here in the city of Ogbomoso. And that has been the moment. What they are doing now, really appreciate. And their elders are here doing wonderful things here. And we don't know. Okay, wherever you are watching us from, you are just seeing the Ogbomoso, the traditional practice here. They just pay homage to the house they call Ogun Ojalu in the city of Ogbomoso. This particular building you are seeing now is called Ogun Ojalu, and this building, according to the history of Ogbomoso land, was being built by the late Shoun they call Shoun Aburumaku. Shoun Aburumaku was the one who built this building you are looking at in the city of Ogbomoso. And according to the history, we heard that the man, the late king called from Aburumaku's compound, was the one who sacrificed the two maidens, one of his own sons and daughters. They were buried alive here as part of the sacrifice in order not to let the Fulani invaders to invade Ogbomoso land, because that of the Fulani wars that almost come down to the city of Ogbomoso. The man Aburumaku decided to sacrifice his own daughters for the people of Ogbomoso, and that's where they built this particular building here in the city of Ogbomoso. That's what we just seen out there. Now on our way to Ogbomoso Palace now to join the traditionalists as part of their program being slated for today. In any moment from now, they're heading to Ogbomoso Palace to see what is happening there and keep you posted according to the program being slated for today. And that's what we are doing at the moment now. So please following us, join us as we move in this precision as we are going now. That's what we move. That's what we are doing at the moment now. So these have been the part of the moment. You see the traditionalists paying homage to the different kind of the worship centers of their places in the Ogbomoso land. That's what they are doing now. Now you can see them. That's their practices here in the city of Ogbomoso. That's what they are doing live. The traditional worshippers are here in the full time to make sure that they do their own right for the Kabiyesi, and that's what they are doing. And I guess at this place they are now, this Osakoko. All right, this is the center where they have Orisakoko, and for Ogbomoso land, that's what they are paying homage to and giving its own sacrifice and make sure that they have the successful worship here in the city of Ogbomoso. And that has been that, and that's the moment. Now we are heading to Ogbomoso Palace, and as you see, this part of the high chief priest in Ogbomoso land, that's the one you are looking at behind me now. So in the meantime, we are heading to Ogbomoso Palace for today's program. Now they are heading to another part where the different kind of strategic locations where they have their practices in the city of Ogbomoso. That's what they are doing now, paying homage to different parts in Ogbomoso. That's what they are doing. So in case you don't know, Ogbomoso is a traditional place, and they are paying their homages in a different kinds to their lords here in the city. Please,
aboyún inú ìlú ìjó bìtìbìtì rẹ̀. Àgbẹ̀lú ìjọ kan wà lábòsí. Ká máa rí ṣe o, ká máa rí jẹ, ká máa rí mu. Nǹkan kan gbọ́dọ̀ sẹ́ni kankan ní ìgbésẹ̀. Ogun ọgbọ́dọ̀ wọ̀lú Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́. Ogun àwọn àlejò ní Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ kí wọ́n máa rí náà. Wọ́n rí jẹ, wọ́n máa rí lo, wọ́n wọ̀ lọ́rùn. Ogun ọmọ ìlú Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ kó dáa fún wa. Ọkùnrin ibẹ̀, obìnrin ibẹ̀, ọmọdé ibẹ̀, àgbàlagbà ibẹ̀. Ó ní bẹ́ẹ̀ kó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Gbogbo àwọn tí ń bẹ lẹ́yìn odi kí wọ́n kéré èkó wálé.
Kẹ́mi ọba tuntun yóò gbọ́.
Ológbò ní igbó ní ayé, olùdó bí márùn-ún, ògbórè òkágbó, kátó, kábọ̀ ọgbà, kábẹ̀rẹ̀ ìdìbò, ìfọ́mọ̀sẹ̀lẹ̀, kábọ̀ rí jẹ, kábọ̀ rí mu, kábọ̀ rí lò. Ètò gbòkìtì ni ológbò máa gbé, ajẹ́ máa lánàá kàn ní, látò ní lọ kí wọ́n máa lànà orí. Owó kàn wá, wọ́n lànà ní gbogbo fún wọn. Ó ti rí bẹ́ẹ̀, ó ti ṣẹ bẹ́ẹ̀, afẹ́dùgbò.
Wọ́n ti ju ibi orógbó nísìnyí ẹ̀dẹ̀ tí ẹni pé wọ́n ní ọba gbó àti wọ́n sì ju àwọn obìnrin bẹ́ẹ̀ ló fi ṣe yàn ìdí nìyí tí àwọn wọ́n fi gbó.
Obìnrin gbàṣẹ, obìnrin dára yọ máa bó fi pé obìnrin dànù fún gbogbo wa.
Ayọ̀ rẹ̀ àmọ́ àwọn kan ti tẹ̀mí.
Ọdún kejì rèé o, wọ́n ní báṣà kìíní bá wọlé, ẹsẹ̀ kejì ìkọ́ni, ẹsẹ̀ owó, ẹsẹ̀ eré, ẹsẹ̀ ọmọ, ẹsẹ̀ àlàáfíà, ó wọlé gbogbo wa láyé o.
And this is the High Chief Priest of Gomashaland leading the precision to Ogbomoso Palace now. And this is the IT, the moment that we are approaching the palace to make sure that they are having their own progress for His Imperial Majesty Oba Ghandi Afọlábí Olaoyo. And the man you are seeing on our screen now is Arabawo of Ogbomoso land. We really appreciate you, sir. Help our people out there. And that's Ogbomoso for you. These are the traditionalists having their program for today. And that's what we are doing here in the city of Ogbomoso. Now we move almost to Ogbomoso Palace now. We're almost at the entrance. We are coming in the full mass to make sure that they have their own progress now. And everywhere, they are paying homage to every unit where they have the tradition in the city of Ogbomoso. They make sure that they pay homage to everyone, to every locations where they have their worshiping centers in Ogbomoso land. That's what they are trying to do now. And as you can see, every place is very, very important for them. And that's what we are doing now. If you are very familiar with Ogbomoso very well, you know that now we are at Ojajagun Ogbomoso. And this place is what they call this place now.
So this is another spot. Alija.
All right.
Idol Center, where the fathers want to traditional religion appease the gods with their ways, and you can see the head of the traditional religion worshippers in the promotion. We just left one of the spots where Ogun was worshipped. And now these are now center.
All right, that has been the moment the Arabawo of Ogbomoso land just come around to appease to the gods here, and they call these gods Aleja. Is at the back of Ogbomoso, Ojajagun, Ogbomoso. That's where exactly the man just appeased the gods now. So they make sure that they go to the strategic places where they have the gods to appeal to them to make sure that His Imperial Majesty Oba Ghandi Afọlábí Olaoyo has a successful reign in his time, and that's what they are doing now. So as you can see, that has been the moment with everybody here, and now the man, the high priest Arabawo of Ogbomoso land, is now moving to the palace now. We're coming into the palace of Ogbomoso now. That's what Arabawo of Ogbomoso coming to the presence now, and here comes Araba, live and direct. Your state Nigeria, you have the traditional right for the kings And that's what we're doing now in the city of Ogbomosho, Oyo State, Nigeria. Now, now the man is here, the full capacity to appease the gods, and we salute the kings and the chiefs on seat for this program, welcoming him into the arena for this program now. And that's what we do. Highly welcome, highly welcome, highly welcome. That is Arabawo, Ogbomosho land. So, in the meantime, we're using this moment to let everyone know that the stage is set for a moment where
Gbogbo wájú yìí ẹ̀dá ìfẹ́ jẹ́ ká fi gbogbo wájú ilẹ̀ pátápátá kábíyèsí kẹ́mi kankan mọ́nà rẹ̀ náà ló ẹ lọ jẹ́ ká wájú jókòó sí àmì ẹ̀yìn ní ẹjọ́ tó yọ náà ẹjọ́ tó yọ náà síkírọ́rìtì nìkan ni gbogbo níwájú ẹjọ́ tó gbogbo àwọn táwọn ẹ̀rọ yà àfẹ́ ká dó mẹ́rà rárá ẹjọ́ tó yọ náà kábíyèsí tún bọ̀ wá ẹjẹ́ ká lọ jókòó ni gbogbo wa ká lọ wájú jókòó ni ká lọ wájú táàtì jókòó ni àfẹ́ níbọ̀dì ẹjọ́ kóńkálù pọ́pọ̀ ní gbogbo ẹ̀yìn yẹn ẹ̀dá kan lẹ́yìn àwọn security nìkan tó wà ń bẹ̀ ọ́ àfẹ́kẹ́ nìkan kan náà lọ níwájú ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ wáyé jókòó sẹ́yìn kábíyèsí tí ń bọ̀ wá ẹjọ́ ẹ jẹ́ lọ wá bí jókòó sẹ́yìn ẹ jẹ́ lọ wá bí jókòó sẹ́yìn ẹjọ́. Àwọn.
Watson. Watson. Watson.
Thanks everyone for watching. In the meantime, we want to shut up the streaming for a while. In order to have the perfect ground here. So after a while, we have a perfect ground. Then we gotta come back online. We'll come back online. In the meantime, whilst at the moment now, we wanna get off the line so that you have the perfect moment here. And after a while, get back online. Please stay tuned. Just stay tuned for a while. We'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. Thanks always. That's been with Ogbomoso Focus TV. In a few moments, in a few time, we'll get back online. We'll get back to you. That's the moment.